Well,
Well, let me show you the rest of the place, just in case.
Whisper reporting from Tapi.
Bad girl, you a bad girl. You a talk with a freaky thing, whoa. You a make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, girl, is you my routine, baby. You go crazy, I my baby. So baby, put it on me. So baby, put it on me. So for the party, baby, I just wanna take you out tonight, yeah.
Xpressionz. Wagwan. Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah man, you're wrong. You shout it back now. Cause we link up to that. Alright? So Wallace. Morning time, son. Yeah. Your office. You're shoot your location. And we meet up right now. So. Alright, man. Send up. I need a pickup around midday. Alright? Now which one of them brilliant can we use? Jen, you can't say morning.
Morning.
Wow, breadfruit for breakfast?
No, my breakfast. Me look after my breakfast, you look after yours. Cause when me cook food give you to eat, you want me to taste it like you feel like me want poison you.
Jen, you're supposed to know some man like me can't take nothing for granted, you know.
That is why you need to look after your own food. Cause you obviously not trust me.
I used to trust you till I run left me. Mash up my meds.
You're going back this again. You know, for me gone, move from this a long time. I'm not depend that with you right now. No more I'm not depend that with you.
No more, no. Honestly. You hate me?
Hold on, let me think. You come on my yard, you intimidate me. You hold me down. You threaten to expose me on social media. That is more than enough reason to hate you, you know. But you know the sad thing about it? Me not hate you. I just hate your little dirty ways that me have.
You notice I don't sleep in my room again. I don't stay for the whole week most of the time. And I do come here, I bounce up on the couch. I get it twisted enough. Now I violate a thing. Because I'm thankful so you put me up.
Ratcliffe, why me? Come know you have numerous persons in Jamaica who could have put you, but why you choose me?
Honestly, you're the only person I really trust.
Trust me with what? Because you just give me the impression that you don't trust me. If you can't cook food here, I'm not taste it. But you trust me with?
That's why I don't trust you. You have to remember, you know, your cut come to Jamaica, but you don't know. And hurt me to my heart.
If you remember clearly, you forget say you did that on the run and nobody at all could have get in touch with you. So how me if you contact you and tell you say I come to Jamaica?
That me I talk about whenever I speak for run come back a yard. I think say that go anywhere else in the US, because US big. You come a yard, that me not say oh I done it down with me.
I'm done with the life and it look like you never want done with the life. So if that means say me have to leave you with it, I'll leave you.
But I'm not done with you. Jen, I don't want to feel like I intimidate me, I try and intimidate you. Just still love you, man.
Radcliffe, when you understand me tell you say I have somebody in my life. Then you don't tell me say you're not trying to intimidate me. And now you tell me say you still love me. What you expect me to do? Leave whom I have come back to you?
Jen, I'm not tell you to do that. I just express myself.
Me can't keep up with your lifestyle, Radcliffe. I want to be a part of that no more.
Jen, I'm gonna ask you something. You think the lifestyle me have right now, I choose to live that way?
Listen, Radcliffe. Everybody have a choice. So nobody come give me the pity story.
Yo, you know, I realize certain things about my growing up as a youth. You don't even know. You meet me, done the dirty, kingpin status.
Radcliffe, you know everything I need to know. Not only about you, but also about your father.